I have this Vitamix food cycler food composter indoor. It composts anything like chicken bones, breads, cookies, anything that's not too liquid. It turns it into a nice powder, and I've actually realized that my chickens like to eat all of that. I'm here with the bucket of leaves that I just picked off the garden, and I'm actually gonna compost these in my food cycler and see what the end product is and see if I can add it to my worm bin. So here goes nothing. I'll keep you posted. I've placed the bucket inside. I'm going to power it on, and we'll be back when this is done cycling. This is the end product of my countertop food processor composter. These were just fresh leaves picked off the ground. They had fallen off my trees. I'm gonna go ahead and feed this to my worms, but you know, if I was a worm, I'd probably prefer these leaves just shredded in the shredder versus having them dehydrated and crunched up and just dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle these in my worm bin, and I'm sure they will get consumed. However, it seemed to have been a lengthy process for the result that I got, which is not a lot of material left, and just dehydrated, crunched up, grinded up leaves.